I would say the Texas sage is pretty happy, and I would say that we're probably going to get rain tomorrow. Let's talk about the lawn.
Home, a place where I can go to take this off my shoulders.
Welcome back, everyone. Just wanted to do a quick video today. Not a whole lot to go over this week, as our second summer, I like to quote, here in Texas is in full bore. We've been low 90s, mid 80s. Nighttime temps are dropping down into the low 70s and upper 60s. So all in all, we've been experiencing some really pleasant weather, and the Bermuda is looking really well. We're about 4 weeks post scalp in the back, and the lawn is pretty much all recovered. And I wish I would have scalped the front. Lesson learned. Trust the process, as everyone in the community says. So next year I will definitely be doing a midsummer scalp, probably sometime in July. As far as what the plan is, I'm watching temperatures really close, so I can kind of time my pre-emergent to get it down. I'm watching the temperatures, and once my ground temperatures get in that low 70 range, I'll probably go ahead and apply prodiamine. I'm thinking of dithiopyr as well, because I do have Dallas grass, but I think I'm going to try to treat the Dallas grass here in the next couple days or couple weeks, and just see if I can't kill it before I have to deal with it next year. I didn't get a lot of the seed heads because I've been cutting so often. I've been cutting every 2 to 3 days, and I'm cutting so low, the Dallas grass just hasn't been able to produce the seeds that it normally does. So I'm hoping with the combination of pulling a lot of the Dallas grass, cutting it short, and just maintaining the lawn and staying on top of it, I'll be in pretty good shape. So the other thing is, I really haven't applied anything. I did the Carbon X, I think 2 weeks ago, and then I've been wanting to get down RGS and humic, and I just haven't got out here to do it. Life gets busy, football started back, taking up a little bit of my time, and so that is still on the agenda for me to do. So all in all, the lawn is looking really good. Honestly, I don't have any complaints. I don't know why that's not focusing very well. The lawn is looking really well. It's holding the green. You know, we are getting cooler, so the Bermuda is definitely slowing down, and that's definitely causing a little bit of just the green is just not quite as strong as it normally is. But for, you know, September 15th, I think this is a pretty good place to be. So what I'm gonna do is get the lawnmower out. I'll take a little bit of video with that, but that's really the update this week. Really not a lot going on, just maintaining, continuing to mow, watching the temperatures really close. You guys should all be doing the same. You don't have to get that pre-emergent down too early. I'm trying to time it up to where I could possibly get it through the end of December, so I'm not really doing a lot of yard work, you know, in the colder months. Maybe try to apply it at the end of December and or early January is kind of the game plan. I try to like to do it every 3 months or so. The other thing I'm looking for, and maybe you guys in the community could help, is I'm looking for a something to help with spurge. I ended up having a lot of it. I'm actually looking down the lawn right now, and I can see it in the lawn. So if you guys have any pre-emergent advice for dealing with spurge, I'd really like to hear from you guys. So I'm gonna get the lawnmower out and get a little recording done. I hope you guys are enjoying the week and the cooler temps. I hope your grass is still green, and if you haven't already, please give me a thumbs up if you like the video content. It definitely helps. And also subscribe if you haven't already. The channel continues to grow, and I really appreciate all of your support. So with that, I'm gonna jump in the lawn. You should jump in your lawn, and I'm gonna roll that film.
one, try to get on by. If we unify, we should really try. All this time, spinning round and round, made the same mistakes that we've always found. Surely now, we could move along, make a better world. No, we can't be wrong. Let's come together.
Well, there it is, final results from the mow this week, and like I said, it's looking pretty darn good compared to 4 weeks ago when we scalped it. I'm really happy with the height of cut. We're cutting it right at 1 inch, and you know, I think next year I could probably get it down to 3/4 or half, depending on the kind of leveling I want to go with. This area right over here is where all the power lines and everything were dug, so I have a pretty good trench right there, and that will take a lot of the work next year for leveling. So I'm pretty pleased with the results. Hope you guys are enjoying the footage and those beautiful blooms back there. I mean, goodness sakes, that's just craziness. I don't know, can we zoom in on that a little? That is amazing. You gotta love Texas sage. Interesting bush. All right, guys, until next week, thanks for tuning in.